Shares of both Google and Apple are slightly lower after yesterday's landmark antitrust decision, the court agreeing with the DOJ that Google held an illegal monopoly in search and text advertising. But there are still unanswered questions about how this will affect big tech and Google in particular. Let's bring in Deirdre Bosa for the details this hour. Deirdre, what are people saying?
So it now comes down to the remedy. Will it be structural, as in a breakup or divestiture of Google's business? Or will it be operational, as in giving users a choice to use Google or another search engine on the iPhone and other devices? Ultimately, Kelly, this will shake out over months and potentially years. Google's appealing, and as DOJ Chief Jonathan Kanter said on our air this morning, the search market is already at its most critical inflection point in 15 years. Competitors like Perplexity and OpenAI, they're trying to make inroads. Apple is already integrating AI chatbots into its software. So that is likely why both Google and Apple shares, they recovered somewhat on the session today, though turning lower recently. The ruling was a major victory for the DOJ, and it initially did rattle investors, but there is still no small amount of skepticism that this ruling will result in structural change before the market itself changes or the administration changes, potentially altering that regulatory landscape. More likely, the greater risk for investors is that the lawsuit distracts Google over time from the most important race at hand, the AI arms race. The company goes to trial against the DOJ a second time in September over ad tech. So this battle, or battles, are far from over. Kelly, in a separate development in the ad world crossing the wires today, Elon Musk's X has filed an antitrust lawsuit against advertising groups over a, quote, systematic illegal boycott. The suit accuses the companies of unfairly targeting the platform over safety standards. Some context here I know you're familiar with. It was just last November he told advertisers that were pulling their ads to, quote, go F yourself, if I can put it delicately.
Yes. I didn't know you could sue people for that either, for kind of a, it sounds like he's saying like a conspiracy to boycott or something to that effect. What's the next thing to watch for on the Google or Alphabet front now? I mean, as you said, they're waiting to hear what exactly the remedy will be. And I think a lot of us are sort of going to have to ponder how much their business model is shifting in the meantime as for the ultimate significance of that.
Yeah, so the remedy discussion kicks off in September at the same time that it's facing that separate lawsuit with the DOJ over ad tech. It could be, as severe as something like breaking up the business or forcing Google to divest part of its business. That seems unlikely. Operationally, they could do something like how it already operates in the EU, which is when you open up your browser, it gives you a choice of which search engine you want to use. And in that case, there's skepticism that it would actually amount to much. There's a thinking that Google would likely keep its dominance, its market share, because, and this is what Google has argued all along, they provide the best choice. It is interesting for Microsoft, for example, that has been trying to get in with Bing unsuccessfully. Could it open that sort of payment system up? Could Microsoft pay Apple to be the default search engine? Right. It's interesting, but again, this is going to take a long time to actually sort out.
All right, Deirdre, for now, thanks. We appreciate it. Deirdre Bosa reporting.